anybody reaching out and being able to talk to what is happening. The birth of the tribal agenda is not a secret. It's not a secret. I'm from Midlands. I'm Karanga, Shurugwi, village head, Mliswa. My mother is Manicaland, Samanyika. My grandmother is Ndebele. I cover 3 in one. Ndebele, my grandmother. I'm Karanga, my father. My mother is from the Makoni Mtasa tribe. I'm worried that this game wants to be kept within one tribe. There seems to be a monopoly of the Zezurus being in power and no one else. But if you look at the founding principles of the struggle, which the president has always spoken about, if you look at the real generals of the struggle, there were not many Zezurus who led in terms of the struggle. Tongo Gara was Karanga. Nikita Mangena was Ndebele. But when it comes to the presidency, it must be a monopoly of one tribe. And to me, I said it before and I repeat it. There's nothing as powerful as people standing by their tribe. There's got to be a time when regional balance and there's got to be equitable distribution of power within the country where we believe the Zezurus are in. The Karangas must come in. The Samanyikas must come in. The Ndebeles must come in. I don't care who the president is, but I will not vote for the Zezuru President 2018. Ndebele, yes. Karanga, yes. Samanyika, yes. And I'm very clear about that. We've got to see us being one. And that shows when we all agree. And there's got to be an agreement that when the Zezurus are in, the next tribe is this one, the next tribe is this one, the next tribe is this one. The Midlands, Masvingo, Manicaland are the most powerful provinces in terms of voting. Midlands is Karanga, with Ndebele. Masvingo is Karanga. Samanyika is equally the same. I've spoken about the South-to-South Alliance, which talks about the Matabeleland provinces. The strongholds of ZANU-PF were Mash East and Mash Central. Mash West, forget, that's the Karanga area. The Karangas have moved there, they've dominated. So you can equally say with the factions which are going on, Lacoste controls Mash West, Lacoste controls Midlands, Lacoste controls Masvingo, Lacoste controls Mat North, Lacoste controls Mat South, Lacoste controls Manicaland. Lacoste will benefit from the fight between Mash East and Mash Central because the Zezurus for the first time have clashed. Equally, you had Gamma talks in those areas. If you follow these provinces, they equally point out to the ones that Gamma talks controlled too. Harare is for everyone. Bulawayo is for everyone. So if you're talking about that, you can see where things are going and so forth. So the tribal agenda is pretty clear, and I think in people in the G40 putting Sekeramai forward is Zezuru. It's not a secret that the First Lady too comes from Wedza, Zezuru. But it defeats the founding principles of the struggles who Zimbabwe is when a certain tribe has a monopoly. I'll talk about the First Lady's recent debacle. I want to be a mature person